What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I want to do a little warehouse walkthrough to give you guys an idea of sort of what this place is. Is it my warehouse? Whose is it? And you know, why is there a bunch of cars in here? So let's go ahead and get started. This is Lamont right here. He actually started off with Davis Mobile Detailing, owned a detail company. He still has that. And then he sort of branched out. He now owns this place, which is called Auto Vault NC, where they do car storage. You know, you can explain a little bit better about what Auto Vault is.
All right, so with Auto Vault is Greensboro's first luxury storage facility. What we do here is we have a concierge service, we have a clubhouse, and we basically have 10,000 square feet of storage, which we can store your vehicle here daily, weekly, or monthly. And we have all kinds of promotions for it. So one of the best things about here as well is that when you store your vehicle gets detailed. So you always ride out of here clean, and we always keep a clean car.
That's why my car is so clean right now. There's actually a hurricane headed towards the coast right now, the Carolinas. So there's a bunch of cars in here right now for storage. We're gonna do a little walkthrough, walk through here. This is actually the place where I filmed all of the videos for Next Generation E-commerce. For those of you that are in there, you know it because you've seen the videos. But you know, right now, how many cars are in here, you think?
There's about
2 there, 1 there.
Yeah.
Got the AMG there, other Mercedes, a bunch of different cars. And guys, if you live in Greensboro, you have a bunch of exotic cars, or you have any car, you just want to store it, and this is the spot to be. I keep one of my cars here at all time, just because I only have one garage space in my house to utilize. But yeah, it's a huge space, as you can see, full of cars. Over there, they're actually doing some construction to finish up the whole place. And I love this car right here. I think I showed on my Instagram one time back there, the Turbo S. Definitely one of the cars I want to get in the future. But this right here is a 911 Turbo. Do you know what year this is?
What year is this one?
I'm guessing like 2008?
It may be.
Something like that, but it's timeless. It still looks awesome. Carbon fiber all on the inside.
Been
Lowered, yellow seat belts. It's awesome. Got the Corvette Z06, right?
Yep.
Damien.
Grand Sport.
This is Damien right here.
My boy Tanner, what's up, man?
What do we got going on?
Oh, paint correcting this Corvette for a guy, so make sure it's nice and shiny for him, man. A little bit of nothing.
Putting the work in.
You know how I do.
There we go. And if you guys need your car clean, detailed paint correction, ceramic coating, whatever, they do that here. This isn't like a sponsored video or anything. He doesn't pay me to say this stuff, but I've known him for a little while now. He's helped me out a lot. Let me utilize this space to film videos, and I still come here somewhat often. It's a good workspace to get out of the house. As you can see all behind me, it's a ton of space. A lot of room for activities. Right here is like the detailing bay. We can go in there real quick and give you guys a quick overview. The desk here for the people working, computers, everything you need over here. GT3 RS, and all the flags of all the different cars. And now we're gonna go over to the little clubhouse area. They're still working on it. There's a lot of stuff being done to make sure it's perfect to be where Lamont wants it to be, so every member is happy when they come in here. This just isn't car storage. It's sort of like a country club, but for car people. So don't judge it, There's stuff going on to make it even better. But bunch of boxes right now, like I said, but the furniture looks really nice in here. Bunch of TVs, everything's coming together. A conference room over there if you guys want to rent that out when it's done. Ping pong. What's everything that's gonna be in here?
So inside here, we have a conference room that has a 70+ inch screen TV in there. That way, if you want to have a video conferencing, you don't want to leave out of North Carolina to go somewhere else, you can actually come here and actually have your meeting here rather than flying out. Conference room table fits about 14 people plus, but the room itself with the chairs that we have in there, you can fit about 20 people inside.
Yeah, got space.
Got a poker table in here for whenever people want to have any kind of poker games, for charity of course. We have a ping pong table, a bar area is being put together, so then that way we're adding some more cam lights in there to make a little bit more. Pool table, just an area where everyone can just hang out. Like I said before, it's a country club for car enthusiasts.
Yeah, so it's more of just a space for, you store your car here, but at the same time, you can come relax. play some games, have meetings, whatever you need to do. And overall, just a really good space if you're interested in cars or just, you know, even networking. I've met a lot of cool people through this place because, you know, if someone's storing their car, it's a nice car, and you meet them, then maybe you'll learn from them, you have a long-term relationship with them, and it'll lead to more business, whatever it is that you do. Just a great overall space to be at. So I'm sure that clip right there, you know, you guys probably thought maybe it's sponsored or whatever, but like I said again, it's not. Just really good friends with Lamont and worked super hard for this space and to build this business. You know, it's a new business, so, you know, it's not making millions and millions of dollars right now. He's building it up, which I really respect. You know, he had a goal and a vision and a passion, and he put that all together to, you know, build these companies. You know, the mobile detailing is something super awesome that, like, you know, you want your car cleaned? Well, they come to you. You don't have to drive all the way somewhere to get your car washed. They will drive to you for a pretty minimal price. You know, exterior, interior, everything you need. And then at the same time, great customer service, always coming back and helping me out, which I really respect. And you know, the videos here within the warehouse and everything like that would not be able to happen without Lamont. So make sure you check him out on Instagram if you haven't already. And if you guys have any video ideas that you want to see within this warehouse, anything with my cars, the AMG or the Porsche back there, whatever you want to see, let me know. You know, when they start getting more cars in here, Lamborghinis and stuff, I'll show you guys. As of right now, doing some schoolwork and just getting some work done for the day, filming videos for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little overview. I just want to make a short, quick video that was to the point to help you get a better understanding about this warehouse and what it is. So no, to answer all of your questions, no, I do not own the warehouse. I don't lease it, it's not mine. But we utilize it well to make some money and help you guys out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, quick one. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.